Hey everyone, welcome back to your favorite English channel. Today, we're going to practice 20 of the most common English verbs, the ones you use every single day. Watch, repeat, and re-watch this video to practice and improve your speaking. Go. I go to school. Go means to move or travel. Try saying, I go to work. I go shopping. Come. Please come here. Opposite of go. It means to move towards someone. Come here. See. I see a car. Use see when something is visible. I see the sky. I see you. Think. I think it's great. Think is for your ideas or opinions. I think English is fun. Like. I like English. Use it for your favorites. I like music. I like coffee. Know. I know you. It means to understand or recognize something. I know the answer. Get. I get up early. Get means to receive or become. I get tired. I get ready for work. Make. I make breakfast. Make means to create. Make a plan. Make friends. Do. I do my work. Do is for actions and tasks. Do homework. Do your best. Say. Please say hello. Say means to speak words. Say thank you. Say your name. Tell. Tell me your name. Tell means to speak to someone. Tell her the truth. Want. I want to eat. Want means desire. I want a coffee. I want to travel. Need. I need help. Need is for necessity. I need water. I need a break. Have. I have a car. Have means possession. I have a friend. I have time. Take. I take the bus. Take means to grab or travel by something. Take notes. Take a picture. Give. Give me your pen. Give means to offer something. Give me a call. Give a gift. Work. I work hard. Work means to do a job or make an effort. Work every day. Use. I use my phone. Use means to operate or apply something. Use your time wisely. Run. I run fast. Run means to move quickly or manage something. Run a race. Run a company. Call. I call my friend. Call means to contact someone by phone. Call me later. Now go back and replay this video. Practice saying each verb out loud. The more you repeat, the more natural your English will sound. Visit our YouTube channel, Your Favorite English Channel, for more quick English lessons. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more lessons every week. See you on Your Favorite English Channel.